Hello, freaks. Hope you all are sound and healthy. Nowadays, seeing ourselves in the mirror have changed a lot. Every one of us wants healthier bodies, zero fat with muscles, and a great definition. But all these doesn't come automatically. No matter how much effort a gym enthusiast or a cardio bunny puts in, solely relying on exercise and food control doesn't cut it anymore. When hours are spent working out and the results don't show, there has to be something more that's needed. Health, wellness, and fitness enthusiasts swear by supplements, in the form of muscle-modulating powders, is just the catalyst needed for effective bodybuilding and getting that right muscle mass. Creatine and whey protein are the two supplement powders most often used for this purpose, but which one we will use? Creatine or whey? Or we should use both to have great results? How are creatine and whey protein different from one another? So, what do you think? Is creatine much better than whey protein? Or whey protein is much better? Before deciding on that, we need to know a couple of things. What is creatine and what is whey protein? How they both work on a human body? Today we will get all these answers and solve this puzzle. Stay with us till the end. You will get all these questions to answer today. Welcome all the Freaknfits to our new episode. Those who are new in our channel and those who still not subscribed to us yet, please click the subscribe button now. And don't forget to click the bell icon next to it, as it will help you to remain connected with the Freaknfits. What is creatine? Creatine is a non-protein amino acid compound found in red meat and seafood, as well as our own muscles. It plays a major role in helping to regenerate ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of our muscles. The absence of creatine, and therefore ATP stores, can cause muscle fatigue quickly in heavy exercisers. The most commonly used supplemental form of creatine is creatine monohydrate. It is also the form of creatine used most often in human studies, and these studies have consistently shown that this popular ergogenic supplement increases muscular creatine concentrations. In turn, this helps explain the observed improvements in high-intensity exercise performance, leading to greater training adaptations, including increased muscle mass and strength improvements. In addition to athletic and exercise improvement, research has shown that creatine supplementation may enhance post-exercise recovery, injury prevention, thermoregulation, rehabilitation, and neuroprotection. So how does creatine actually help with improving muscle mass? Research has demonstrated that the presence of creatine in the muscle seems to act as an anabolic signal for muscle building, whereby creatine acts as the chemical signal coupling increased muscular activity and increased production of muscular tissue. Likewise, the presence of creatine in the muscle also temporarily increases the water content of the muscle, giving it a pumped appearance. Of course, the increase in water does not constitute an actual increase in muscle tissue, but many like the look. What is whey protein? Whey is a byproduct of cheese manufacturing. Whey protein is derived from whey and tends to provide a higher concentration of essential amino acids than other protein sources. These are main reasons why weightlifters and people looking to bulk up on muscles turn to whey for lean muscle. Number 1. It's rich in BCAA, branched-chain amino acids, typically containing 24%. Number 2. Whey protein, particularly whey protein isolate, has the highest biological value among other proteins tested. Number 3. There are multiple studies demonstrating its effectiveness in helping to build lean muscle mass as part of a training program. Clinical research shows that taking whey protein isolate daily in combination with strength training for 6 to 10 weeks increased lean body mass, strength, and muscle hypertrophy compared to placebo. In one double-blind study, recreational bodybuilders supplemented their normal diet with whey protein isolate or casein, another milk protein, for 10 weeks. The results were that the whey protein isolate group experienced a significant gain in lean mass compared to the other protein group, 11 pounds versus 1.76 pounds, and a significant reduction in fat mass compared to the other protein group, minus 3.3 pounds versus plus 0.44 pounds. The bodybuilders also achieved significant improvements in strength. Whey protein isolate supplementation has also resulted in higher blood amino acid concentrations compared to some other protein sources. This results in greater stimulation of protein synthesis, thus providing the foundations for preservation and production of muscle mass. Several studies involving supplementation with whey protein have been shown to be effective in augmenting the effects of resistance exercise, particularly when supplementation occurs in the hours surrounding the exercise training. Now the question is, does creatine build muscle faster than whey protein? Not necessarily, because they have completely different functions. Essentially, creatine helps send the signal to the body that it's time to increase muscle protein synthesis, while whey protein provides the raw building material to be used in the actual production of that tissue. So, using both in a combination looks like a more logical choice than choosing one over the other. So, can whey protein and creatine be taken together? Ideally, yes. In fact, research suggests that whey protein and creatine can be taken together to achieve a better result. In a 6-week, double-blind, placebo-controlled study published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism, men on a strength training program were divided into 3 groups and supplemented with whey protein alone, whey protein plus creatine monohydrate, or a placebo. The results were significant. The men using the whey creatine combination gained leaner muscle tissue, 8.8 pounds, compared to whey protein alone, 5.06 pounds, or placebo, 1.98 pounds. In addition, the men using the whey creatine combination had a greater increase in bench press strength, 17%, compared to whey protein alone or placebo, 7 to 8%. Another study comparing whey protein, creatine monohydrate, and the combination showed similar results. Now you need to know, what's the best time to take creatine? Some people like to take creatine as a pre-workout supplement. However, according to the International Society of Sports Nutrition, the most effective way to increase muscle creatine stores is to ingest creatine monohydrate 4 times daily. This is consistent with the aforementioned research where creatine and whey protein were used together. Subjects were instructed to consume their supplement dosage in 4 equal servings across the day by mixing their powder with a beverage. Our next question is, what's the best time to take whey protein? There has been a great deal of research examining the best time to supplement with whey protein, and protein in general, in conjunction with exercise. The studies seem to indicate that there are advantages to consumption of whey protein both pre-workout and post-workout. Some research even suggests benefits if taken during workouts. The bottom line is that whey protein should be taken as close as possible to workout time, about 30 minutes, whether pre or post-workout. Now that you know how creatine and whey protein are different from one another, what will be your choice of supplements? Should you use creatine? Or whey protein? Or maybe both at the same time? If I have to give the answer, then I would say, at first you can use both but not at the same time. One in this month and other in the next month. Then you could easily understand which one is suiting you most. After that you use it for the rest of your life. Whey protein powder and creatine are 2 popular sports supplements that have been shown to increase muscle mass and improve exercise performance, though the ways in which they accomplish this differ. Taking the 2 together does not appear to offer additional benefits for muscle and strength gains. However, if you'd like to try both and are looking to increase muscle mass and performance in the gym or on the field, taking whey protein and creatine together is safe and effective. So, I wish this video would make you understand how whey protein and creatine helps to build muscle. If you have anything more to know, then please write us in the comments below. In our next video, we will tell you about how you would use creatine, how much you need to boost your body, and lots of other things. That would be a very useful one for you all. Don't dare to miss that. Whoever's still not subscribed to our channel, why not? Subscribe now and must click on the bell icon. You can see our full playlist of whey protein, to know everything about whey protein. Stay fit. Stay cool.